Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon M. And in this lesson we'll end the series of 3 videos I think that we've been doing covering les suffixes, okay, and in that case we'll cover, or we'll see, le suffixe issement, okay, and the idea is to see how we could make nouns or substantives if we're starting from the verbs. Okay, so let's see. The idea is that we're talking here about the verbs that will belong to the second group of verbs, so ending in er, okay, and the rule or the way to make them is that we'll take away this er, so the ending of the verb, and we'll replace it with the le suffixe issement, so issement. Okay, so that's the rule. And then the only thing that we should keep in mind, because of course if we're talking about making substantives based on verbs, it's possible to have different type of substantives, but in that case the substantive, so the noun, must express the action. Okay, and that's the only thing that you should keep in mind. Okay, so let's see a few examples now. The first one, élargir, and so you can see here the translation in English. Un élargissement. Okay, so you can see that as we saw, you just need to take away this er from the verb and then you replace it with the issement, okay, and then you get the un élargissement. Okay, so élargir, un élargissement. Ralentir, un ralentissement. Ralentir, un ralentissement. Rajeunir, un rajeunissement. Rajeunir, un rajeunissement. Vieillir, un vieillissement. Vieillir, un vieillissement. And that's it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and then like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. facebook.com/imagier.net, and then more material can be found at the following address: www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.